It all began when my brother needed to change lanes to the right with sufficient gap between him and this troublesome truck Range Rover.
Oh, fuck off!
Troublesome truck Range Rover is now tailgating my brother dangerously.
What ails you?
As you can see, you can hear my brother revving his engine to try his best to keep the gap between him and troublesome truck Range Rover open. Unfortunately, he actually sped up to close the gap to manufacture that he himself is cut off, all so he can look for trouble. One of those days, I hope his jalopy Range Rover is going to have all sorts of mechanical failures. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.